Then the arches. This is the aortic arch. Can you see it? All right. Then I'm going to lift this up, put it to its side like this. You're going to see two tubes, right? The bottom tube, this one is esophagus. This one is descending aorta, right? You notice the descending aorta produces blood vessels. On this side, it goes to the ribs. What do we call these?
Intercostal.
Intercostal. And on this side, it goes to the esophagus. You see that? What do we call that? Esophageal. That's right. See? Right here? This. It keeps doing that. Ah. So, opening it up. You can see the descending aorta, and it is feeding the esophagus with blood vessels, right? And ribcage. Then it goes through the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. As it goes through the diaphragm, now we get here. Can you see? Okay, so as it goes through the diaphragm, so this is the kidney, right? To show you a little bit ahead of time, some of the easy ones. See the pair of blood vessels that hit the kidney? The blue is renal vein, the pink is renal
Artery.
Okay, so above that, see that right here? This little tiny knob-shaped structure, that's adrenal gland. The blood vessels that run over it is called adrenolumbar arteries and veins. This is the adrenal gland, adrenolumbar arteries and veins. Okay. So what do we have here? Remember that descending aorta that was going through the diaphragm, right? So it's going to show itself over here again. It's going to show you the celiac artery, and the celiac artery goes into the stomach and the spleen. Here's the spleen, right? Okay. This is the splenic artery. So if it goes to the spleen, we call it what?
Splenic.
Splenic. And there's one goes to the stomach over here. What do you call that? And then goes to the liver, hepatic. It's a little bit buried down here, but it's hepatic. It just goes to the liver. Just watch, just see where it goes. So that's celiac. A major blood vessel. Next to that, there's another major blood vessel. If I expose it, you can see, where is it going, guys? Very good. Intestinal. Intestinal. Okay? So it goes to the large intestine, small intestine. We call it superior mesentery because it goes to the superior mesentery of the small intestine. Okay? So let's keep going. I have to do a lot of digging. We are following the aorta. Remember abdominal aorta and abdominal vein. They run parallel to each other. Everyone? This is the aorta. This is the vein. Remember, both of them hit the kidney, right? Over here? Okay, renal. All right, so they keep going downwards, and they hit different organs, one of which hits the bladder. Bladder artery. There's one on each side. See that? This is the bladder, right? One on each side. Okay. Going down a little bit more. This is a large intestine full of crap, right? There's a blood vessel that hit it, that cut it. This is inferior mesentery because it's connected to the inferior mesentery. Remember, this is inferior mesenteric artery? It hits it. This is inferior mesentery. Then, as it keeps going down some more, remember the iliolumbar that I was talking about? 1, 2. Can you see it? Let me see if I can zoom in some more. One, two. There's a vein and artery here, both. They're called iliolumbar because they go to the lumbar region and the iliac bone of the pelvis. Iliolumbar. Artery and vein. Now, you see this blood vessel here? This goes to the testicles, called spermatic. Spermatic vein and artery. Actually, remember the vas deferens that I told you? What is it moving over there? Spermatic cord vas deferens, see? Go through the inguinal canal, don't they? Okay, so this is a spermatic artery and vein. All right, so over here now, we are going to continue to see what's going on. So the abdominal aorta gives rise to iliolumbar artery and vein. Then it divides